So it's cider making time. I got all these apples from Dot's parents' garden. Had a go at trying to do them in there. That didn't work. Cleaned it all out and everything, and then tried to do them in there, but no good. It just binds it up. So yeah, come check out what I did. Quite hilarious. I quickly made an apple scratter, they're called. It's hilarious, really. Then just did a little experiment with it, and it works pretty good. It's just a circular bit of wood, loads of screws in it, turn it on the end, and it comes out the bottom. Okay, this is the hilarious apple scratter that was made in about 2 hours. Needs a lid on it, but does the job nicely. Perfect. See if it can handle all that. Be good going. It'll be alright, that doesn't end up in it anyway. Log jam. That's it, we're backed up. What do you think it's like? So that full bucket there of nice apple pulp, that's all full of lovely juice. Look at that. Took us about 3 or 4 minutes, less than 5 anyway. All that juice, look. Oh. Right, I'm going to press it. Borrowed this little press off of Dot's parents. I'm just going to stuff this full. Just right down in there. Then we'll press it. Right, we're getting some juice. Look at that. Delicious scrumpy cider. How many times we're going to have to do that? 10 at least, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got quite a bit.
Only a little press, but we'll get there with it. Okay, so there's 5 gallons, we'll have that as cider. Now you're going to do another couple of gallons for apple juice. So just about to do a new press. This is working great, it's working excellently, really good. It took about an hour to make it. It is literally just a circular thing with all screws put into it, powered by cordless drill, bit of stainless steel threaded rod, working great. Yeah, so we got one more sack and then one more of those sacks and them left to do, so get another couple of gallons, we'll have for fresh apple juice, and that's it, that's our apples done with. And we might do some more if we collect some more apples. Yeah, so we'll get that changed out because I'm going to run out of space in that, and then do another press into another gallon demi-john just here, and then I get that, should do another couple of gallons. Yeah, it's the last load of apples. This thing's worked beautifully. Yeah, it's been a lot of work. Point the microphone towards me. Yeah, it's been a lot of work. We end up with about 10 gallons. So we give a lot away as apple juice. Got a bit of a log jam. We give a lot away as apple juice. Make about 7 or 8 gallons of cider. Yeah, it's been really good though. So get this last bit done and then show you what we got. So we're tidied up. There's the apple scratter. So I've given it a bit of a clean, a bit of grass in it, but that thing worked a treat. I couldn't have asked for it to work better. It did all that work for us. Didn't have to do any of it by hand. Just a couple of batteries. We've got all of this here. This is going to go to the horses in the field above me. They'll enjoy that. And we've got about 10 gallons of cider, so I'll take the press back that Dot's father lent me, and yeah, we'll give them some nice fresh apple juice and some cider when the cider's ready as well. Yeah, that was a lot of work, but 10 gallons, we've got 7 gallons of cider, about 3 gallons of fresh juice to drink for the next week. So give that to some neighbours, Dot's family have a bit. I'll drink it every day this week. Yeah, I'll show you what we got. Right, so there's 7 gallons of cider that we'll leave there. That'll start brewing. And then got all those in apple juice, and a load more in here too. All of them in there too. How about that? That's all fresh apple juice that we'll give to neighbours and things. Yeah, it's all good. So we'll give you a little update when it's done. We'll do a little taste test maybe, see how it turns out. It's going to be completely natural cider, no yeast added or anything like that, just straight apple juice, natural yeast, and then we'll put a bit of sugar in the bottle when we bottle it, and that will give it a little bit of a fizz. Alright, so hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.